Let us join hands to cure Black ignorance with Black enlightenment. Around the world, we often discuss the cost of Black ignorance without comparing it to the value that could come from promoting Black enlightenment. This Black ignorance, which indeed harms our community, is significant in all our societies, not just in Africa or America. It is this ignorance that keeps us in a state where we know very well that our current condition is inhumane, yet we have come to believe it is somehow suitable for us alone. Yes, Black ignorance costs the Black community billions of dollars annually across major economic sectors, yet we seem to care less. The following narratives outline how much it costs our community to remain ignorant of ourselves. This will help us understand why we need urgent self-help actions and initiatives, rather than relying on our governments or the system to bring the necessary changes. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel.